say I'm in town, I get an ocean.
I think you still have to do some other stuff. But let me show you from this place. And see my plant, see my flower from last year. It's bad, so I'm even going to go to Superstore to get another one this morning or later in the day. So I'll be showing you guys in another video. And look at it. Let me show you. Hi. So that's my so, and this is our Christmas tree. You saw it as I was packing, but I didn't take time. And you know men now when they do. Okay guys, I'm back inside and I hope you guys saw all what I really wanted to show you guys, because I don't know if I did showed you guys well, and I had to change the settings of the camera when I got outside to the light so that it will, you guys will be able to see it very well. I think I need to clean the kitchen. I need to do some things. I need to clean the house, sweep. I don't sweep often like the general house, except for the kitchen and the sitting room, where is the main place we stay every time. I usually clean that once a week, like, because there's nothing, I mean the staircase, the rooms and all of that. So I'm going to make food now. I don't even know what we're going to make, but let me quickly just clear this kitchen so that I'll be in the mood to cook with the kitchen settings. So drop this here.
Searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say.
You guys won't believe what the kids did. They actually finished eating the fries before everything was ready. I honestly wish I can promise myself that I'm never going to retouch my hair again. And that's because I get easily bored with one hairstyle. Guys, look at how bad my hair looks right now. My hair was doing pretty good because I was on natural hair. Until last year, December, I felt let me do something else because I was tired. And guys, my hair got damaged. It's so bad, I can't even keep it that way, and now I have to scrape it off. And guys, I had to do a voiceover because the extractor from the bathroom, the noise was so disturbing. You guys would not hear me, so now I have to do a voiceover. And this is me. I'm going to be rocking my new hairstyle.
You're sleeping with someone new, and I'm in New York for the first time. I hate this weather, but I like the view. It makes me think of new beginnings. Here's to new beginnings. I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I
You guys don't wait for mommy.
wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city.
You don't have to help me. You know I'm not bad in this world. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh my god, it's windy already. We came up pretty late. Last time 4:49. Now it's windy. I hope you guys are gonna be hearing us. And the kids came to the park. My husband actually called us to come join him here, and now he's gone. He just called us that he left already. All right.
I'm going to the main.
That's fine. AJ, let's go.
Let's go.
This is our favorite park. And Rumsey, AJ decided not to ride a bicycle. My bicycle is faulty. The tire, I need to pump the tire.
I can hear my own heart breaking.
Do you need help? Okay, I'm just gonna help you. Yeah.
You said she was just a friend.
Yeah, with your leg. Yes, you have to. Yeah, just that way.
Thinking the words that
You want me to push you?
made me think it was in my head. Yeah, you just said that I was crazy.
No, I'm not pushing you.
I was crazy. I can't sleep alone. 'Cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long. Wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city. Sounds for a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet,
Guys, I'm on the stove. I'm on to my cleanser. And it is usually you. I picked from the store, my Pixie toner cleanser and roll-on, and I spent $49.99. Oh, sorry, $49. I don't know if you guys can see it. $49.44. Let's go to. Let me go get the kids something to eat. Then we'll be heading home.
Yeah, because I don't think you can buy the other stuff.
Yeah, yes.
And maybe when mommy has.
Guys, we just got here now, and you won't believe what's happening here.
There's a long line, and
There's a long line. The sun will not allow you guys to see it well. There's a long line. Like, I'm like, what's going on? Maybe because it's weekend. My hair is shifting. Maybe because it's weekend. Let me see if I can show you guys. Can you guys see?
It's still the Pokemon for the chicken.
And what's that?
Nothing.
And that's not where it's ended, because it's like a circle, and we're still going to the other end. So I can imagine how long we're going to be staying here. Oh my God, guys, do we go home and go and make amala?
No.
Why not amala?
Because we laugh in our car and have a terrific time.
Guys, the wait is serious. We've been waiting over 23 minutes now. Not over, 23 minutes now. I've never waited this long here before. Serious.